At IKEA, our main objective is to make a better life for the many people. I'm Maarten Raijmakers. I'm the Deputy Food Manager from IKEA Eindhoven.
The food that we serve for kids is healthy, and we really believe that if they at a young age are introduced with healthy food, that they can continue that the rest of their lives. My name is Kirsten and I'm Kitchen Production Manager at IKEA Eindhoven.
It's important to reduce food waste because in the world a lot of people, they don't even have food. My name is Steven. I'm working at IKEA as a kitchen production specialist. I love working for IKEA Food because I love food. My favorite dishes are the Swedish meatballs. Yeah, we sell a lot of meatballs.
In Eindhoven we have a restaurant with 600 seats and we have a nice bistro and Swedish food market downstairs.
We try to innovate and we try to stay relevant, especially on the sustainability side.
Winnow cuts both ways. You can use it to reduce your costs and improve your profit, and you do something for a better environment. We are already spending a lot of time on the waste reducing, but the Winnow system really gave us good insights.
Winnow helps the team to understand which product we throw away the most. For example, soup we've thrown away a lot, and now we managed to reduce also the waste for the salad buffet.
The implementation of Winnow is quite easy. The training was given by Steven, our production specialist. Within 3 weeks we got the first report and the computer's showing you immediately how much money you are throwing away.
The team feels really great about cutting food waste by 45%.
Thanks to Winnow we saved 100,000 euros on food costs, so that's really great. Because otherwise we would throw 100,000 euros in the bin. For us it was great, 48,000 meals saved in a year. We really had to calculate again to believe that it was so much. IKEA Eindhoven won the award in 2018 for Best Performing Store in the Netherlands.
My advice would really be implement Winnow, look at the results that come out of it and look at your process.
If you think that you don't waste a lot of food, then start using Winnow and you will see that you really can improve a lot.